Good afternoon. I'm very happy to be here with you. My name is Teacher Manuel, and let's go ahead and start our class. Welcome, Ariana. I'm sorry because of my background. It's not working quite properly at this moment, but we can go ahead and work it out with that. So I hope you're able to hear me because we are in fact having some tech issues, but I hope you're able to hear me. Maybe my video quality might not be the best, but I hope you are able to hear me. So let's go ahead and continue with the class. So our icebreaker challenge today would be the following. Now it's a little bit different. Welcome, Mariana. Now it's a little bit different. We are going to spin the roulette, and I hope you're able to hear me so that we're not having any troubles here. So we are going to spin it, and there is a question, and you will have to answer that question, okay? So, example, I'm going to put an example. I'm going to spin it. I'm going to go ahead and spin the roulette. And stop right there. Favorite sport? You will have to answer what's your favorite sport. All right? So I hope you don't have any issues with this. So let me see if you can hear me.
Okay.
Wonderful. Ariana, are you ready?
Yes.
Wonderful. Let's do this. Okay, so spin.
No, él tiene que decir. Stop right there.
Great. There we go. Stop right there. Tell a joke. Ariana, you can do this in English or Spanish. Puedes hacerlo en inglés o en español. Puedes contarnos un poquito.
En español, había un pollito que le pusieron el pico en el trasero, se sentó en un charco y se ahogó.
Okay. Okay. Alma, can you hear me?
Yes.
Wonderful. So it's your turn. Ready?
Yes.
Spinning.
Stop right there.
Hobbies. Alma, can you tell me what are your hobbies? You can do this in English or Spanish. We are going to translate it though.
My hobby is watch series.
Series. Wonderful, Alma. Very good. Now, I think we can do another round. So let's try Ariana once more.
Okay.
Okay.
Spin.
Here we go.
Stop right there.
Favorite singer or song? Favorite singer or song?
Okay, my favorite singer is Shakira.
Shakira. Wonderful. Very good. Now, Alma, it's your turn. Let's go ahead and spin this.
Stop right there.
Okay, Alma, tell us something special about you.
Mm, um, ¿Cómo qué?
Something you consider.
My artist.
Yes, something you consider special. You. You, what do you consider special?
I don't know.
Maybe a talent that you have?
Um, I can paint.
Wonderful. Yeah, very good job, Alma. All right, now let's continue. So today, I would like to say hello, good afternoon. I'm very happy to see you again, and I'm very happy that you continue working on this English course. Today's weather was very hot. Even though it was not clear, it was cloudy in the sky. So it was very, very hot. I almost died because it was hot over here. Yes. Yesterday, I uh, planned a few things. Yesterday, I took decisions on what I have to do. Yesterday, yesterday I ate breakfast with my family. Yes. Yesterday, I saw a basketball game. And I would like to share how do I feel with you. I feel in love. I feel very happy. And I would like to show you my emojis, guys. So my emojis say that I feel smart. My emojis say I feel surprised. My emojis say I feel confident. Yes, confident. I also feel kind of funny, huh? I also feel relaxed. Yes, relaxed. Sometimes I feel amazed. Wow, amazed. I also like to feel happy. Yeah, happy like an angel. Sometimes I feel in love. Yes, in love. Or sometimes I feel like a zombie because I'm tired. So guys, those are my feelings today. Tomorrow, I will have another class with the children. Tomorrow, I will also watch a basketball game. And tomorrow, I hope we can see and know about each other. I also would like to tell you my expectations. I expect that you can continue working with your English class. I expect that you can also enjoy it, and not only enjoy it, but to learn a lot of English. Remember, no aprendemos inglés, lo adquirimos. All right, those are my expectations. Learning. I hope that you guys can learn. I hope that you guys can also uh, know what we're going to talk about today. We all are going to talk about the cardinal and ordinal numbers. All right, we are going to talk about two things: cardinal and ordinal numbers. Okay, so
Okay.
be ready and and pay attention, please. All right, so cardinal and ordinal numbers. Ready? Let's continue. Before continuing, I would like you to tell me how do you feel. So I'm gonna show you the emojis, and Ariana, you're gonna tell me how do you feel. Do you feel like a zombie? Ariana, do you feel in love? If you're talking, Ariana, you are muted. That's why we cannot hear you. Do you feel in love? Okay. Wonderful. We have Monica here. And tell me, Alma, do you feel amazed? Wow.
No.
No? Do you feel in love?
No.
No? Do you feel like a zombie?
Maybe.
Maybe. Do you feel relaxed?
No.
Interesting. Do you feel funny?
No.
What about confident? Do you feel confident?
Mm,
No?
maybe. Maybe.
Wonderful.
Maybe.
Very good. Ariana, I don't know if you're there. I think you're not. Welcome, Monica, to the class. Okay. And Monica, we're talking about how do we feel. And I feel surprised and smart. All right. I feel smart today. So now let's go ahead and continue with the class. Okay, as I told you, we are going to talk about cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are the numbers we commonly use to count things. In Spanish, we know them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Those are the cardinal numbers in English as well. There's a list on the screen. You can go ahead and take a look at this list. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are the first 10 cardinal numbers. So please go ahead and repeat that after me by pausing the video and going back if you are watching this from YouTube. Now let's go ahead and continue. Please pay attention to the pronunciation. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And as we go on, I am going to explain these numbers separately. But remember that for future numbers, we have to combine the first 9 cardinal numbers, and the 10th cardinal number is going to change. Example, 21, 22, 23. And when we get to 29, after 29, we say 30. So we add the T and the Y to the word 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So let's talk about these numbers separately, okay? Okay, so the first set of numbers are the first 10 numbers. The first 10 cardinal numbers. These numbers are pronounced the following way. Please listen and please practice while I say it, okay? Por favor, escucha y practícalo justo después de que yo lo diga. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4,
2,
5,
3,
6,
4,
7,
5,
8,
6,
9,
7,
10.
9.
So, and Ariana, you can practice this with your microphone, okay? You can mute your microphone so that you can practice this. Okay.
Sorry, my connection is bad.
No problem, Ariana. So, these are going to stay always like this. Estos nunca cambian, okay? Los primeros 10 no cambian. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, these are the first 10 cardinal numbers, and they do not have any change. If you are watching this on Facebook, si estás viendo esto en Facebook, please stop right here and go back so that you can go ahead and practice. Stop and go back so that you can practice. All right? Now, the second set of numbers are the next 10 numbers. All right? So this is very important for you to recognize. In this case, we have two numbers, 11 and 12. They do not have nothing in common. No tienen nada en común esos dos números. But most of the rest of the numbers do. So pay attention, listen, and please repeat with your microphone muted. Okay? So here we go. 11, 12,
11, 12,
13, 14, 15,
14,
16,
15,
17,
16,
18,
17, 18,
19, 20.
19, 20.
Okay? We're going to do this once more. Alma, can you please mute your microphone this time? Thank you. Now let's go ahead and practice this again. So, here we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Por favor, note cómo antes de decir la terminación teen, hay como un corte en la pronunciación. Por ejemplo, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right? Please listen to that cut in the middle. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So these numbers will have the same ending, the same termination, which is termination teen. All right? Going from the 20th number, we have number 20. All right? And this only works on this set of numbers. This will never happen again until we go after 100. Okay? So, we're going to go with these numbers. These numbers will go 10 by 10. De 10 en 10. These numbers are, we have three examples of the combination of the suffix and the number. Se combinan el sufijo de la decena que se está contando y el número. So, 21, 22, 23. When we go to 30, we say 31, 32, 33, right? When we go to 40, we say 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. When we go to 50, we say 51, 52. We say 53, 54, 55. When we go to 60, we do the same rule. So, Ariana, can you tell me the numbers starting from
Yes.
Starting from 70?
17.
70.
17.
70.
Ah,
Ajá. ¿Cuáles son los números empezando a partir del
70 y luego el 71
Yes, please.
más
Ariana, I'm sorry, we are having
71.
very bad connection problems with your microphone. Let's give the chance to someone else while your connection problems solve. Monica Rodriguez, can you tell me the numbers starting from the number 80?
Okay, is 71, 72,
Okay, thank you.
yes,
And
sorry,
that's fine, thank you.
yes.
Mónica Rodríguez, can you hear me? Mónica, ¿me escuchas? I don't think Mónica can hear us. Alma, can you please help me? Starting from 80, ¿cómo combinarías los números a partir del 80? Please.
81, 82, 83, 84.
Wonderful. That's very good, Alma. Thank you. Mónica, ahora sí me escuchas. Can you please help me with the numbers with 90? 91? Can you continue? Oh, we cannot hear you, Mónica. There you are. No sé cuál será el detalle, Mónica, pero aunque quites el silencio del micrófono, no te escuchamos. But that's fine. Do not worry. All right. So after 90, 91, 92, 93, we go to 100. Entonces, we combine 100 with the numbers that we already practiced. Example, 101, 102, 103, right? Or we can say 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116. Or we can go to the next 10 numbers and say 121, 122, 123, 124, or 130, or 140, or 150, and so on. We use the same pattern, the same logic to these numbers. So remember, these numbers, the tenths, do have a termination ty at the end. 40, 30. Y esa terminación ty se pronuncia como si fuera una sola R. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. All right? Make sure you practice this at home. Remember, if you don't practice, it's not going to work. Now, I want to talk to you about two questions we normally have. These questions are how much and how many. So, on the right side, we have how many, right? And if you notice, there are 3 basketballs. 3 basketballs. Okay, 1, 2, 3 basketballs. Now let's go to the next image. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16 ladybugs. 16 ladybugs. Now let's go to the next image. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 stars. 10 stars. Cuando vemos un cúmulo de objetos que se pueden contar, preguntamos, how many basketballs? Or, how many ladybugs? Or, how many stars? Right? When you cannot count these objects, you say, how much? Cuando no podemos contar estos objetos, decimos cuánto. Si notan, en español es la misma lógica. Decimos cuántos para hablar de una cantidad que se puede contar. Y decimos how much o cuánto cuando no la podemos contar. So, example, sugar. Sugar cannot be counted. You can't go rock by rock of sugar. You cannot do that. You have to say, how much sugar? ¿Cuánta azúcar? Or maybe land or territory. You do not say, I have 5 territory. No, you have to ask how much. So we have maybe 5 acres of land or 7, but you cannot count every single piece, right? And coffee. Coffee, you cannot count every grain, right? You cannot count every grain, but you can say how much coffee would you like, right? So, cuando podemos contarlo, preguntamos how many. Cuando no podemos contarlo y tenemos que diseñar un sistema de medición para poderlo contar, decimos how much. Por ejemplo, kilogram, meter, right? Grams, acres. We have a lot of different words, but we have to ask how much, right? How much? So, pay attention. This material, you are going to have it and you can practice it at home. If you are watching this on YouTube or Facebook, make sure you stop right here and practice counting. Practica el conteo. 1, 2, 3 basketballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stars. All right? I know you can do it. Now, the second type of numbers, el segundo tipo de números, will be called ordinal numbers. Ordinal comes from the word order. Okay, so this means that these numbers are made to order things. All right, these numbers are made to order things. So make sure that you practice these numbers. Por ejemplo, when we need to say, oh, I'm the second in line, decimos, soy el segundo en la línea, which means I'm the second in line. So these numbers talk about positions. Okay? Estos números nos expresan posiciones de cosas. Y aquí hay algunas reglas muy interesantes que tenemos que aprender. So please pay attention. Okay? In this diagram that I would like to show you, and I'm going to hide this really quick. In this diagram, guys, you're going to see a lot of rules and a lot of tips. Este esta imagen es tan importante que ustedes deben conservarla y estudiarla mucho. Why? On the top right corner, we have several numbers that are marked in red. Tenemos varios números marcados en rojo. ¿Por qué? Porque esos números tienen algunas excepciones. Si leemos, we normally add a TH, que se pronuncia V. ¿Ok? Pongo mi lengua in between my teeth and I'm going to blow some air. So, we normally add a TH to the end of a cardinal number to make it an ordinal number. We be careful of the spelling exceptions below. Todo lo que esté marcado en rojo son algunas excepciones, ¿ok? Esas excepciones pueden incluir cambios en el deletreo del número. So, for example, when we talk about la primera posición, we say the first position, second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position, or maybe the sixth position, or the seventh position, or the eighth position, or the ninth position, or the 10th position. So if you check this, you will notice that the numbers look pretty alike. Some numbers look pretty alike the other ones. Algunos se parecen a los números cardinales, but they do have some exceptions. In ordinal numbers, el primer cuadro de su lado derecho says cardinal numbers 4, 7, and 16. These numbers will be pretty much the same. 4, TH, fourth. 7, 7, TH, seventh. Or 16, 16th. All right? Be careful with the spelling because there are some exceptions like number 5 and number 9. They have exceptions. No se escribe igual 5. We spell it differently with an F. Fifth. We do not say 5. We say fifth, right? The same thing with number 9. We do not say 9 or ninth. We say ninth. We still say ninth, all right? We do not say ninth. The same exception goes with all the numbers in red. Todos los números en rojo tienen la misma excepción. ¿Por qué? Ustedes podrán notar que los mismos números en rojo de los primeros 10 números ordinales son los mismos que están marcados también en los demás números y se repiten sucesivamente siguiendo el mismo patrón. All right? So, when do we use ordinal numbers? Cumpleaños. My birthday was on July 15th. Cuando hacemos nombre de centenarios, all right? Oh, on the 21st century, en el siglo XXI. We also use it when we have to sequence and order things, right? Yes, we do. So guys, this picture, please keep it and please study it, okay? So that you can know when to use it with a sequence and when you want to order things. Por ejemplo, Ana Gabriela Guevara won the first place in the Olympics. Or we can say Usain Bolt won the first place in the Olympics. Okay, guys, let's see what do we have in the chat. Sure, Ariana, no problem. Take care. So, we also use these when we have to order or sequence things. Example, we commonly say El Rey Carlos V, okay? Carlos V would be the name of this king. So, Sometimes people do also have these type of numbers in their names. So when you see a Roman number on a name, you have to pronounce it as an ordinal number. Cuando usted vea un número romano en un nombre, usted tiene que pronunciarlo como un número ordinal. So please, guys, go ahead and study this. Pause the video and verify, read the information. Si hay una palabra que no entiendas, por favor, haznoslo saber. If you want to translate one word, you can go ahead and look it up in Google Translate, but only one word, solamente una palabra, all right? So, guys, I hope you actually enjoyed this class, and I was very happy to be with you. These were the ordinal and cardinal numbers. Please remember to stay safe in your respective quarantines. And remember, this is a lot used a lot in common life because when you're asked en qué año semestre vas o va tu hijo, remember, ordinal numbers have a termination according to its written form. Cuando se escriban, tenemos que agregar las últimas dos letras de su nombre. Entonces, si de forma escrita se dice first, yo voy a usar las últimas dos letras. ST, first, second, or third. Okay? So any ordinal number that contains these three numbers, first, second, and third, you will also use that same termination. Example, 11th, 12th, 13th. Sometimes they will change. But when you go over 20, you will say 21st, 22nd, 23rd, or 31st, 32nd, 33rd. De ahí en más, todos los demás tienen una terminación con TH. Example, 24th, 25th, 27th, 28th, 29th, and 30th. All right? Guys, this was our class for today. Thank you for being here. Goodbye, and I'll see you next class. So, do you guys have any questions? Alma, Monica?
No, yo no. Todo bien.
Monica, are you okay? Very good, Monica. Thank you. All right, guys. Goodbye. Hope you have a great day. Take care. Goodbye.